Yeah.
Anybody in there?
Yeah.
No.
Damn. Should be in there.
It's in here. Oh my God.
It's being the other side.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Take the filter out. Yeah, we'll slide the.
Who's in there?
Jeez, it sounds like here. Wait. Get the filter.
I'm gonna. It's in the other side, right?
You gotta get the filter out. Oh, the filter goes the other way.
It's the other way. Yes. Let me see.
No.
Wait, don't do it. Don't make any sound. Wait 1 second. Let me come over here. Where's the kitty? Where's kitty? It's echoing. Wait, it's not close to there, so it's. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where? It's echoing in
I think
here.
it's in there.
Oh my God, is he in the freaking chimney? What happens if he's in the chimney?
It'll die. And then carbon monoxide? My gosh.
Just shoot me. Just shoot me. He could be anywhere. It's probably echoing through the pipe.
Right.
What happens if he doesn't fit through there?
Let's see. Oh,
This
one
is the first for you, Larry.
Or maybe it's because it's up there. Because there's one up right above us.
All the screws, I think. Wow. Who put this thing in?
You did.
Wow. It's going. Wow.
Need a hammer? Oh,
Here we go. Look in there. Get ready. Okay, here we go. It's right there. He's right there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and he's. Who's that?
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God.
I got you.
How the heck he got in there?
It's Flip. Flip,
How the heck he got in there? In the chimney pipe.
Flip. Oh, you smell.
Probably,
He got in the chimney pipe. Look at that. He was the guy.